Welcome back, everyone! In today's video, we'll be diving into how to add a new HUD to your server. This particular HUD is simple, minimal, and clean, without any overwhelming colors or flashy elements. It's perfect for servers that aim to provide a standard, straightforward gameplay experience while keeping things visually unobtrusive. Let's get started. To kick off the process of integrating this exciting and dynamic update into your FiveM server, start by visiting the GitHub page, which we've made easily accessible through the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the page, locate the necessary files and download them to your computer. After downloading, extract the contents from the zip folder to access all the required files. Once the extraction is complete, carefully transfer the entire folder into the appropriate directory within your server's configuration that suits its structure and setup. Inside the main folder, you'll find another folder nested within it. Cut and paste that folder outside, then delete the original folder to clean things up. With that, the installation will be complete. To avoid conflicts, navigate to the QB folder and remove the QB HUD. Personally, I prefer zipping it up and saving it for future use, but you can also delete it entirely if you don't plan on using it again. Finally, open the config file for the new HUD to customize it according to your preferences. This allows you to tweak it to better suit your server's style and gameplay needs. The config file for the HUD comes with several customizable options to fine-tune its behavior and appearance. Here's how these options work. Config.legacyFuel enables compatibility with the legacy fuel system to display fuel information accurately on the HUD. Config.PMAVoice configures the HUD to work with PMA voice, ensuring seamless integration for voice status indicators. Config.status allows you to change the location of the HUD on the screen. Adjust this setting to position the HUD where it best suits your server's layout and design. Config.electric-vehicles. This is where you can add the names of electric vehicles. By doing so, the system will recognize these vehicles and appropriately update the HUD to reflect electric-specific details, such as battery status, instead of fuel levels. Editing these settings in the config.lua file lets you customize the HUD to perfectly align with your server's features and gameplay experience. After extensive testing and productive discussions, I'm thrilled to announce that RocketNode and CODEIN are now official partners. We recognize the critical importance of providing top-tier hosting services to ensure your players enjoy an exceptional FiveM experience. RocketNode comes with DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and cloud backups. They offer extremely customizable FiveM server hosting, allowing you to create your own server with just one click. Their easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to set up and modify your FiveM server. If you're tired of searching for a reliable provider for your community, start building with RocketNode today. Make sure to use the link in the description and get a 25% discount on your server by using the promo code provided below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to enhance your server with a reliable hosting solution. Once you're in the game, you'll see the brand new HUD we've just added. As I mentioned earlier, you can align it to your preference by tweaking the config file. This HUD offers different styles depending on your activity. For example, the layout while walking will differ from when you're driving a vehicle. Additionally, the map will only appear when you're inside a car by default, which you can adjust using the config.radar only in-car option in the config file. That wraps up today's video. I hope this tutorial helps you set up and customize your new HUD. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments or reach out on Discord. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming! I'm thrilled to announce that CODEIN has officially surpassed 7,000 members on Discord, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, we've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, users can also create logos for their servers using our logo-creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!